Good morning, Texans. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. Quick reminder that yearbook distribution is taking place on May 20th from 12 to 7. You have received an email from me with a whole bunch of links and information in it. Please make sure that you go back through my Sunday email that is sent out yesterday. Make sure that you check out all of the different links and all of the information that's put in there. It's the same for all of the high schools in the district. However, our particular date is May 20th, and then there is also a makeup day on May 22nd. So make sure you read through that information. It's going to be important stuff. In addition to yearbook distribution, at that same time, Chromebook reception or Chromebook turn-in for seniors is happening at that time. So seniors, you'll need to get your Chromebooks turned in at that time as well to clear all your fines and fees. Graduation honor cords continue to be available for sale online. The deadline for purchasing your graduation honor cords is May 19th. And then distribution, I believe, is going to be May 22nd. We'll get that finalized and out to you pretty quickly. But for now, make sure that you know that you need to purchase your graduation honor cords by May 19th. And then finally, again, continue to be on the lookout for pickup and return of items information. That may be coming from your fine arts directors, that may be coming from your coaches, or it could be coming from Mr. McCowan and just the campus in general. So keep an eye out for that because you'll want that information on the pickup and return of items at campus. All of those will be drive-through processes. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, have a marvelous Monday. I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.